Hello,
Hey,
how are you?
I was just seeing you and I wrote, Hi, hottest doctor around. ऐसा डॉक्टर सबको नसीब हो भाई.
Yeah, what is this hair? Is it the lockdown hair?
It is, no, I kept it since a year now.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, it's there since a year now.
Okay. So how's lockdown been for you? I keep seeing yours and Tanaz's videos, of course. So I know you guys have been very busy with TikTok and Instagram and all those things. So I know social media
Yeah.
is keeping you busy. Besides that, what is new?
Besides that, there is some home shifting happening. Besides that, there are like two dogs and two kids happening. And that's a lot of happening because there is sibling rivalry amongst kids. So we are like really harrowed. And that is happening. And, when I have a maid called Sir Hriday. He is like the Rajpal Yadav of the movie Waqt. I said यहाँ रखो. क्या रखूं? मगर जो तुम्हारे हाथ में वो यहाँ रखो. कहाँ यहाँ?
Oh God.
So, so I'm like dealing with all these guys right now. So that is happening.
Okay, and how are you keeping your sanity going?
I
With
am the
all that is
I
happening.
am I am the doc, but I hear a lot and I hear a lot of people, especially actors. About six of them have committed suicide, and the entire industry is going through a very bad phase regarding what do we say, the lockdown. And there is the actors which are doing decent are fair enough, but the actors which are not that decent and do episodics and stuff like that, they survived on the work, which is sad, but it is true that sometimes there are natural calamities that happen, and there are things which is gonna hamper you. So are you ready for it? So I just feel that the intelligent and the smart actors have pulled this through, but those with the fake Gucci glares and the fake Nike shoes that they buy and keep on doing it, कि भाई style है भाई, वो लोग निकल गए because
So that's a very dreary situation that you are kind of sharing, and I'm of course aware of people who are dependent on their daily wages, so to say, or people who work on episodes and their work has kind of shut down. I don't think it's really their fault. And nobody really saw this coming, right? So what do you think
yeah.
is the way forward, given that this lockdown has given us such a big learning that no matter, even if you've done like 10 episodes, for example, in a month, next month, God forbid, if something happens, you need to take care of your physical, mental, and financial health. So what is your opinion, or what is your advice to the struggling fraternity, not only actors, but I would say even the technicians and all?
Yeah. See, what happens is when please try and understand everyone. Like भगवान ने अगर दो हाथ दिए काम करने के लिए, तो एक दिमाग भी दिया है इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए. So I always feel that if you have the brains, and now we have done shows like Nach Baliye, Big Boss, Ma Exchange. There are some shows which I don't want to do. So very early, I'm a very filmy bug. So very early, I had heard Anil Kapoor and Sajid Khan in an interview, and Sajid Khan had asked Anil Kapoor, "Sir, आपने इतनी अच्छी movies की, and then you did Benam Badshah, Ghar Ho To Aisa. Why did you do such movies?" So Anil Kapoor said, एक काम हम लोग करते हैं क्रिएटिव सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए, एक्टिंग के लिए, और एक करते हैं घर चलाने के लिए. तो जिसमें मैं पैसा लेता हूं, मुझे पता है कि वो नहीं चलेगी, मैं पैसे ले रहा हूं. सो देयर आर सर्टेन शोज विच वी डू, विच वी नो दैट दे आर व्हाटएवर, चलने भाई, पैसा आने दो ना. सो व्हेन द मनी कम्स इन, I don't invest in a Mercedes ML or a Louis Vuitton bag or say Jimmy Choo shoes for Tanaz or whatever. I pick it up and I go to Mira Road, see under construction property, go to Thane, see under construction property, and place whatever money there is. Because even after 1 year, it will come up. It will come up for sure. I am not talking about post lockdown, but if it is post lockdown, Today, for all those people who are struggling, everyone, the Mazdoor Union, let's put it across very crass way, the Mazdoor Union has gone away to their गांव. अभी ओला और उबर के पास ड्राइवर नहीं है. क्या तुम्हारे में दम है? गाड़ी लो, पकड़ो, चलाओ. तुम खड़े खड़े 50,000 बना सकते हो. और सब कुछ, right from your paperwork to your car to everything, Uber and Ola is giving you right now on loan. So you place 20,000 on your loan amount, give it up there, and come on, wake up, drive a car. And in US and America, people have a house and they have their own Uber and they drive it and they're really cool about it. Why do Indians have this entire thing of I can't drive a taxi?
That's because I think that's one good learning, because if we think about it, the dignity of labor doesn't exist in India, and that has been my observation. For example, Bakhtiar, you know that when you go to a restaurant, you see so many educated people just speaking to a waiter in a very indignified manner. And that is very painful, because at the end of the day, it is work. It doesn't matter what work you're doing, as long as you respect.
Aditi, what happened is when you became a doctor at your time, डॉक्टर, अरे वाह, रिस्पेक्ट, एक औहदा आता था, एक ऐसे फूलती थी. जब आप व्हाइट कोट पहनते थे तो हम व्हाइट कोट पहने वालों की इज्जत करते थे. अभी क्या हो रहा है? डॉक्टर है, ए भाई घर पे आना, ये देखना क्या हुआ. एवरीवेयर abundance of graduates, 10 lakhs, 15, 20 lakhs graduates every year.
Doctors, by the way, because there is a big dearth of doctors. However, I know what you're saying, and that really again is very painful, because they are frontline warriors in that sense, and they are struggling. However, the required respect and dignity is not being given to them. So I feel very strongly about it. But having said that, now what are you teaching your kids? Because this has been a very big lesson to the kids, life lesson to the kids also, and it's a lot dependent on how the parents are teaching.
I'm actually struggling, and me and Tanaz are having a fight every day. Now I'm saying that, where did your school education go? Try and understand the biggest two businesses, with all due respects to all the doctors, two biggest businesses are hospital and education. Only the big lawyers make a big business out of it. But otherwise, there is a private hospital and there is education system. आज तुम्हारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम की 4 चीजें ले लो जो तुमको याद है. हिस्ट्री की, सोशल स्टडीज की, फोटोसिंथेसिस तुमको घंटा काम आता है लाइफ में. काउस डाइजेशन सिस्टम क्या घंटा काम आता है हमको. अच्छा, गाय खाना खाती है, ओके, वापस निकालती है, वापस खाती है, ओके, पता चल गया. बट इज इट हेल्पिंग मी? इज इट हेल्पिंग माई चिल्ड्रन? Today we are stuck in a social taboo called go to school. I am fighting this taboo and I'm saying get home education. Today you have to do home education.
So you are saying that you are promoting, what you are saying, Bakhtiar, is homeschooling basically.
Yes. And my son is going to sit with your son in the 10th standard through Mumbai University. Let him educate himself side by side, but at the same time, let him sit here and do an online course. By the 10th standard, he'll be the youngest editor at 14 years. By the time he finishes the school, he has developed his mind, being with like-minded people, having no missing tuitions, no missing portion. आजकल सच में होता क्या है? Parents are taking homework on WhatsApp. घंटा बच्चा स्कूल से कुछ लेके आता है. Parents are discussing school homework. Parents are helping artwork, social this thing, ये वो. Parents are going dropping, picking up. And बेटा मस्त मस्ती में पास हुआ तो ठीक है भाई, 50% से पास होता है 9th स्टैंडर्ड तक. 10th स्टैंडर्ड में मेरा बेटा आइंस्टाइन लेके आओ 90%. अरे पूरी जिंदगी उसमें 50% से ज्यादा नहीं लेके आएगा, घंटा लेके आएगा 90%. That is my understanding, and parents need to understand that.
But are you and Tanaz planning to do homeschooling for both your kids, or you're contemplating?
I am totally for it. And Tanaz is like, you make friends. My childhood friends are my school friends for Tanaz. I don't have any school friends. I don't have any, like college friends, we have a little because we again are like a Hussein, me, Milab Zaveri. Milab Zaveri is the director of Satyam Vijayate. Like Hussein is an actor. So we still bond as Jai Hind college people. But what about school? I don't know anything. People have become huge. People have become, their facial structures have changed. I don't know anyone. So I personally feel that people need to understand that why is it so difficult? If my son is sitting at home, waking up at 8 o'clock, sitting at 9 o'clock for martial arts, finishing his class, having a bite, coming back, doing his computer class for 2 hours, then having his lunch break, then coming back, resting for 1 hour in the afternoon. The best of businesses in China and Japan take 2 hours in the afternoon as a break for optimum utilization. हम गधे की तरह नहीं सुबह 9 से रात को 8 बजे तक ऑफिस में घिस रहे हैं. It's not happening like that. Again, give him a break from 4 to 6. Let him do his tuitions. From 7 to 8, let him do a karate or a physical activity. And 8:39, he can go to sleep. You know, our rules in school are given by their haircuts. बाल कटा के आओ, यूनिफॉर्म पहनो, ये डिसिप्लिन है स्कूल का. But what is inner discipline? What is inner discipline? If the parents don't leave the...
Which comes to my mind is, Bhaktiyar, that I am pro school, so I cannot think of homeschooling for my children yet. I do understand that one needs to respect whoever's choice is, whichever. Like my very good friend Amin Haji, he's homeschooled his 2 girls right from the beginning, and they are as bright can be. But that is their choice, that is their judgment, or that's their call. For me personally, I prefer schooling mechanism or the whole structure. In that sense, I probably am siding with Tanaz here. And the reason for that, for me, is that firstly, we human beings are social beings, right? And given that we live in a nuclear family, it's important, and a lot of parents have only one child. So there are a lot of mental aspects to being a single child, where sharing or all those things cannot be inculcated. And if both the parents are working, then who's going to look after the discipline? So if one parent can, or if you are working from home, then I think the possibility is there. Secondly, what happens is we might not have interest in physics. So I'm just giving an example. So suppose I'm not interested in physics at all, and I'm teaching Zian at home. So I will impart that dislike to my child. So automatically, even if inherently he likes physics, I will indirectly not let him be a physicist, because that is not my interest, and I'm not capable of teaching all the subjects. Now, why study about photosynthesis, or why study about something that happened in history, is because at that age you don't know what your choices are. You can of course select. So I'm not saying that the current school situation is absolutely perfect. We do have cookie cutter method, and we do have that marks will say that, okay, this guy is clever or this girl is intelligent. So I agree that there are different kinds of intelligence which exist right now. But anyway, it's a very long topic, and you and I can discuss this till cows come.
No, in just one word, I would like to just sum it up is that in terms, like I'll give you names. Ruby Bhatia, do you remember the anchor? Her son, we met at a Starbucks, and her son is home educating himself. And there are a group of 60, 70. Imagine there are 4,000 where my son goes in the school. And imagine there are only 50. So handful of people understand this. But it is a God's way to say, stop, probably, get this working. Probably I'm a very, I understand कि अगर मुझे मैथ्स पसंद नहीं है तो मैं मैथ्स इनकलकेट नहीं करूंगा. लेकिन how many parents in today's day after 8th standard actually sit with their children for 2 hours and sit next to them and study?
हाँ, पर अगर होमस्कूलिंग कराना है तो बैठना तो पड़ेगा ना.
तो उसके लिए ट्यूशन टीचर आता है ना. उसके लिए ट्यूशन टीचर आता है.
ट्यूशन टीचर्स हो for all the subjects.
तो होम एजुकेशन क्या है?
Very expensive. People might not be able to afford that kind of money.
Otherwise there are classes also.
But
There are classes also.
But then
Today, if you're good,
then you might as well send them to school, no?
whichever
Or to send them
I want
outside the
to,
class.
I want to know without tuition, which household is having a child without tuition?
That is
Garib,
a
not
different
garib.
point. You are now saying that school is one thing and tuition. That is another point altogether. If
ट्यूशन
we
तो
have
देना ही पड़ता है. That is what I'm trying to say. ट्यूशन तो देना ही पड़ता है.
तो होम स्कूल करा के ट्यूशन कराना है, then what's the point of home school? What is the point then of this whole?
Okay, home
You're
school
trying
is
to
not
get
9 to
the
4.
out
Home
of the rut of
home school is not 9 to 4. Like I know from the horse's mouth. So a person packs her day up with karate, horse riding, swimming, computer classes, get the knowledge, and then education system also. He need not forget our education system. Because it is, even if you curse it, it is 10 times better than what's going on in UK and America. There are bimbos coming out of there. That's why all our Indians go there, and even if they just open them out with whatever, one formula also, they're like, अरे क्या बात है यार, कितना intelligent है, अरे graduate है पागल, intelligent नहीं है, उतना ही है. So our education system is like that. Anyway,
Yeah,
let's
like
cut
it's
this off.
also
So
learning.
that,
That
yeah.
is one. That lateral thinking is not as it's not encouraged. Anyway, I mean, like I said, that education
Yeah.
can be one thing which I can.
Aditi, I want to speak about something. I want to speak about something, and I'm going to take this platform to speak about, in terms of the worst crime that has happened, and it boils, my blood boils, and I want to slap those people who forward messages on WhatsApps during quarantine, during Corona. And, including, I told my sister, Percy, mom just comes up with a WhatsApp message and says, you know what, this happened. I said, how does it matter to you? You live in a Parsi colony. Your sabzi comes at home. Everything comes at home. तो बाहर क्या हो रहा है, तुम और स्प्रेड कर रहे हो मैसेजेस गंदे गंदे. एंड देन ओहो इधर रेड जोन है, उधर पर्पल जोन है, उधर ये जोन है. मैं को मम्मा चुपचाप टीवी जाओ नहीं यार. How does it? Just keep calm. You don't need to spread.
You know what I did, Bhaktiyar?
Sorry?
In the beginning, I'll tell you what I did. Right in the beginning, when this lockdown started, and the next day automatically there was, the same messages coming again, and it was like non-stop. So I took a WhatsApp group detox. So I deleted myself, I exited myself, telling them that I'm exiting for some time. I'm going to be detoxing from WhatsApp groups. So I pretty much deleted most of the groups I was part of. This my school time, then college, and so on and so forth. Because of the same thing, that this like constant barrage of messages that keep coming. And I have very consciously, if anybody keeps sending me forwards, I just tell them that no forwards, please. I'm happy to have a conversation, but I
can't do that, no, Aditi, because you are not in any of my groups, but other groups have very good looking and smart looking girls, so I need to be there. But besides that, my topic.
This is how Bhaktiyar is. You're talking about something very serious, and suddenly he'll come up like what? Huh?
So I just wanted to.
Yeah.
Huh.
Sorry, go ahead.
I wanted to tell everyone out here, and whenever it's recorded or whenever it's seen, now the message comes that भाई ये एक forward चल रहा है. Ban TikTok. Don't use a Chinese app. Now आपको क्या मालूम क्या है about Chinese app? क्या मालूम what is TikTok? You need to go stop reading messages. मुझे आज लंबा every day I get 4 messages saying, sir, ban TikTok, you're a celebrity, if you do it, this thing, that thing, this thing. So I am like, there are another 40 messages saying, sir, damn good, you make us smile in this quarantine. You see my message. I post the messages also in my stories. And I want to tell those people, today one person gave me a message this morning, Milind Soman has banned TikTok. With due respects, that is him. Chalo, I can remove it. I can go away. What about those TikTok stars who survive on TikTok? Their households run on TikTok. How does it matter? It's like as stupid as Pakistan ने इंडिया पे हमला किया तो अली फजल को बाहर निकालो, अली अब्बास को बाहर निकालो, नुसरत फतेह अली खान को बैन करो, अकबर सामी को निकाल, something like that, not Akbar Sami, sorry, अपना other guy. How stupid is that? Adnan Sami. So I'm like, why is this? अरे पढ़ तो लो, 4 व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड किए तो तुमने वही रट लगाना शुरू कर दिया. You know what? If you want to ban Chinese products, stop using the bloody iPhone. It's the biggest industry. Their GDP comes from your iPhone. All your parts of the iPhone.
Most of the products we use are
Most नहीं, सब
Chinese.
सब मेरे को घर से स्विचेस निकालनी पड़ेगी, सारी स्विचेस घर से निकालनी पड़ेगी, वायर जोड़ जोड़ के लाइट ऑन करना पड़ेगा. So why are people not understanding this? That you know, ban TikTok, 4 फॉरवर्ड मिल गया तो अभी तुमने भी चालू कर दिया, and without any sense.
Yeah.
TikTok, you know, your it's such an app where it's the number 1 social trending app right now. Number 1. So what do these competitors do? They come dum karke, they attack TikTok. Now I am on this app called Bigo Live. Okay, as soon as I come, and there are so many people who want to go and chat with me, and you know, there is remuneration involved in this and stuff like that. But there are so many haters who also come and say, अरे यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो, काम नहीं है क्या, एक्टर हुआ, क्या हो रहा है. तो I'm like, तू काम कर रहा है लॉकडाउन में बेटा,
हाँ.
मुझे भी दिला दे, मैं भी वही काम करूंगा लॉकडाउन में. सो यू नो, समटाइम्स आई डोंट लेट देम गो, बट हाउ मेनी पीपल शुड आई आंसर? थैंक गॉड यू आस्क्ड मी फॉर अ लाइव सो दैट आई कुड कम एंड probably voice this, that all these people using iPhone, Redmi, Vivo, Oppo, you know, MI phone, throw away your phones. I will throw away TikTok app, full stop.
Okay, all right. So I can see that there's a lot of anger, Bakhtiyar. Now just let
अरे
it go.
रोज सुबह का है यार,
अरे,
रोज सुबह का है.
let's
हाँ.
talk pleasant things. How have you
हाँ.
kept fit during this lockdown? Because I do know that if you remember, there was, I think, Tanaz's birthday at Bombay Gym when we had met, and you had suddenly
Yeah.
transformed completely.
Yeah.
So I want to take that, you know, picture in mind, and keeping this lockdown situation. How are you keeping fit?
I am, there is my dietitian, Big Boss dietitian, remember Kajal,
Yes.
the
absolutely.
Gujarati girl? Yeah.
Good
So
question.
nowadays, yeah. So she is handling me. And what happens is that in when you are in a position and when you're doing a little stuff here and there, everyone wants to collaborate. So there are so many dietitians. Sir, मेरे को प्रमोट करो, सर मैं आपको ये डाइट देता हूँ, मैं ये खाना भेजता हूँ, मैं ये करता हूँ. But these are all fads. I just personally feel, what can be my lifestyle? सर अदरक खाओ, अदरक के साथ हल्दी मिलाओ बीच में, उसके साथ इधर रखो, ये करो, सुबह उठ के यू नो ये पियो, ये पानी पियो, हनी लाइम. मैं रोज ये कर सकता हूँ क्या? मैं रोज चीज बटर में चिकन मिला के वो कीटो मील खा सकता हूँ? कितना खाऊंगा? लिवर भी अंदर से बोलेगा, भाई ये क्या कर रहा है.
True.
Yeah, and we are Indians, and we need to forget that we're forgetting that, you know, this is our system. We are used to a roti, we are used to a little rice. So what I do is I eat from 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I you know my chai thing from Big Boss days, so I have my chai. And so my first break is my chai and a khajur at 11:15. And then I eat from 12 o'clock. I work out at 5:30 to 6:30. I come, have my protein shake, have a sandwich or two sandwiches, and 7 o'clock I zip my mouth.
Okay. So you're
So
following
7
it.
to, yeah, so something like that. So don't eat at nights. Just don't eat at nights. Thank you, Garima Chaudhary. Okay, guys, everyone who is writing down, I am seeing your messages and I really, truly appreciate, but I sincerely need to give the respect to the doctor who is sitting next to me. And to be very honest, मैं आपको बाद में हाय हेलो बोल सकता हूँ, बहुत खूबसूरत है, मुझे पहले देखने दो क्योंकि कभी आती है हमारे पास.
There you go. Funny Bakhtiyar back. No. So, of course, even I've been reading the comments, and hello everyone who's joined us for this conversation. I was looking forward to speaking to Bakhtiyar since a long time, but I did speak to Tanas in season 1, so I said, okay, I will speak to Bakhtiyar, and I kept him for
Yeah.
second half. So
I thought you were only up to the A-level stars. You know, you didn't go to the Aftabs and the Vivek Oberois.
You're Somebody like I can always say that I saved the best for the last.
Oh, bro.
So,
But I have to tell you guys this, that we were in the same Big Boss. It was season 3, and I guess we were the lucky ones to be in season 3 because it was, you can't get bigger than Amitabh Bachchan, everyone. With all due respects to Salman Khan and the way he is, and it's like flamboyancy and his rule, and he's classic in Big Boss. I think Big Boss is his show. But we were the lucky ones to be in the same frame with Mr. Bachchan. And I just feel blessed to do that show at that given point of time. But I spoke to my director the other day, Atish Kapadia, when Big Boss was on, and he said that Baba, तुम्हारा Big Boss तो मतलब महाभारत और रामायण था. क्या पाठ पढ़ाया आप लोगों ने, कैसे थे आप लोग? It was like seeing Ramayana and all that, यार. Coming to the later seasons with Dolly Bindra and all those guys, and that sadhu sons coming in. It was crass, and that
it changed quite a lot after that. So we were lucky that it went the way it was.
Yeah, because we never had this तू दो कौड़ी की औरत and तू ये ना तू तेरा भाव बताऊं क्या and all that. We never had all of that shit going on. So we were like he was like तुम लोग तो कितने मतलब राम लक्ष्मण सीता सब लोग एक साथ बिग बॉस में आए. I died laughing, and I need to tell you all that Aditi was the only person who Tanas trusted and said, please take care of Bakhtiar because I'm going. And there was a time when Bachchan Saab asked me,
listen, you are going to get in trouble, you're going to put me on.
there was a time when Bachchan sir asked me that अगर आपको choice दी जाए कि आपको बिग बॉस से निकाला जाए या अदिति को वोट करके उसे नॉमिनेट किया जाए तो आप क्या करोगे? तो मैंने बोला था कि सर कुछ भी हो जाए, क्या whatever the situation is, I will not nominate my friend. And I never ever in my and you didn't notice this?
No, I didn't.
And when my video of my anger and everything was shown, he had asked me this.
Okay.
And then it was like, so that's when I said, okay, boss, whatever happens, I'll not nominate this girl for sure. So I never ever nominated Aditi in Big Boss. And we had Jaya Sawant.
It was brilliant. I mean,
You remember that?
For 77, of course, you were there for 84, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, I stayed for 8 more days.
Yeah. So it was quite crazy, but it was fun. It was a great learning as well. And of course, I made friends with Tanas Bakhtiar during that time. I mean, we knew each other socially, isn't it, before? But that bonding, because you are stuck in that situation, which is very unnatural, that happened during Big Boss days, which was really cool. And we've kept in touch after that. And Bakhtiar's son and my son are similar age, so that's another bonding factor.
And so much fun we had at that given point of time. I just feel that everyone should detoxify themselves without mobile phones, pens, clocks, nothing. Just go book a Lonavala house, go with your family members and nominate them. Population कम होएगा हिंदुस्तान का, एक दूसरे को मार दोगे. तेरी माँ का मामा. But what? It was so much fun, and we had who was that girl who came out in a white bikini and was like Big Boss बोला चलो कपड़े पहनो अंदर जाओ. Sharlene Chopra. Oh.
It was too much fun. It was great fun. So what is happening now? Of course, we know that you're a fabulous dancer. You come out with a new film currently, which you sent me the trailer of. Do you want to speak about that?
It is a movie that was shot in 2018 December with Shailendra Singh, and he and me play for Bombay Gymkhana. We were playing cricket, and he came up to me and he said, "Baki, I'm making a movie." I was like, "Bro, हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, ओवर हो गया है, दूसरा बॉलर आने वाला है, तू पिच पे बात करेगा?" तो बोला हाँ, I'm doing. So we spoke and we sat and we spoke, and we shot a movie at that given point of time. But Shailu is other creature altogether. We are humans. He is another story altogether. He is fantastic. He's another prani only. He's like, He's surrounded with gorgeous women, so sometimes I feel nice sitting along with him, and yo bro, yo. I just keep seeing beauty and then I walk out. That is one. The second thing is, it was a very intense subject, so I needed to move Shailu away and just concentrate on the thing. And I just feel that he came up to me and he said, government has approved this movie at this given point of time amongst all my movies, to promote it right now, because post lockdown, what is going to happen is people are going to come up with sick thoughts in their mind because people are money hungry. There is going to be daylight robbery, which already happened, Aditi. In 4 of the cases in suburbs from Andheri to Goregaon, there are 4 major robbery cases in broad daylight. Come, put chaku, rob, and run away. Because people are right now, struggling to get food, and their dignity doesn't allow them to go and take government packets of food. Probably, I don't know why, but it's like that. So that is happening. So he said, "Ki I don't want." The government said, let's promote this movie at any given point of time, wherever you all want to. And let's tell youngsters, the youth, not to take an open drink. I know $700 and $500 is the price of a drink and people cannot afford it. I truly understand that. But then you need to go tell the bartender, you make my drink, and then take the drink, even if it is a free drink.
Yeah.
You can't let somebody get up and take a drink for you. That's all. It's very, very scary. And when I do case studies, you will be shocked, Aditi, that India is number 2 with it. Organ smuggling.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Apna Thailand, Phuket is number 1.
Yeah.
So when our Gujarati buddies go na, hey Jimesh, chal, turn drink per turn drink free che. They land up in some corner without their kidney.
No,
And
it's
it's-
a very serious subject, of course. So
Yeah, and it's a standard procedure.
Has it released? Is it going to release? And if so, tell
It
us
is-
a little more so that people.
It is released on FB Premiere. It is on my page also. You go to FB page of mine and you go on that link and you start it. You will see the movie. It is on Shailendra's 7. That is an FB page, which is also the movie is there also. But you can go to my page also. Hey KP Patel, how are you? Thank you. So you can go there and do. Yeah, that's very scary and that's happening. So please do not take open drinks. Go and make your own drink. Or post this thing, I'm might be doing another movie. I cannot talk about it. It's backed by Z Studios and it's a dancing movie.
Ooh, nice. So, as everybody is aware, that Bakhyar is a fantastic dancer. So, it's great to see you dancing again, especially in a film, because I know you did participate in quite a few reality shows where there was dance involved. So, it will be good for you to go back to dancing, isn't it? Do you rehearse dancing, or you don't really have to?
I really don't. मैं अपने आप को नचवाने के लिए भी पैसे देता हूँ. फ्री में बेटा कुछ नहीं होता यहाँ पर.
But your son is a very good dancer. Huh? He has
Yeah.
It's inherently.
And can you believe it, Aditi? I've never taught him. I've never showed him one step. And when I dance, he's like, bro, I can kick your ass anytime.
Which
I'm like, beta, what?
Nothing.
So he is very confident that he's gonna beat me, and he's already beaten me, and he's moved ahead in life. But yeah, I love dancing. I'll also be very honest out here. I never see any of my episodes. I dare not see any of my. What's your opinion on anxiety and depression? I'll just say one line. When people say, I am bored in this lockdown, it is not lockdown, bro. You're boring. You're boring, that's why you're bored. You bring on the tension and the anxiety, and that's why you're doing this. We are stuck up with society norms. That's the full point. If I have a family, whoever I am, and I don't have money, I will go out, take a loan, take a car, and drive a taxi and feed my family and to the society.
Okay.
Matlab, you have to get up there. There is no depression.
Okay.
There is no anxiety. I'm not a.
Because anxiety and depression, if it is in clinical form, it can be treated. There are ways, and means of tackling it, and it is real. It is a disease. It is an illness.
उसके लिए अदिति है.
Exactly. So there are people like me who are counselors, who are qualified psychologists, who can help you get rid of any depression, any anxiety that you have. Because at the end of the day, life is beautiful. It is something that is a gift. So do appreciate that and don't throw it away just so easily, because there's nothing that is bigger than life. There's nothing worse that you can do.
You know Kushal Punjabi, my friend.
Yeah, I know.
We've done shows together. I went on his funeral.
Yeah.
And you know what? I had tears here. And I had anger written out here. Anger. Chetan Hansraj is such a close friend of his.
Yeah.
भाई एक बार फोन कर लो किसी को. ये बड़ा स्टेप लेने से पहले एक बार फोन कर लो किसी को. And there is no jijak in asking for help. What better? And you know what? There is something called a book called Afterlife. Please, I don't read all this, but what Tanaz reads and tells me, I am sharing it with you all. You do not get a place also in Narak when you commit a suicide. You're not even there. You're worse than that. So all those people, I understand.
Afterlife and all that, I don't know, because I've not seen it. It's only from the books that we read. So I will not speak about afterlife and all that. But think about current life. Think about before you take, or even think about taking your own life. Think about the people that you're leaving behind. Not only that, if you have been gifted this life as a gift, which is true, then why, if you don't think that you can do something for your own self, how about taking care of somebody else who is less fortunate than you are? Because if you take your living or wherever you are, there will be 10,000 people who are less fortunate than you are. No matter.
Do you think
what
young adults, teenagers are under the influence of social media pressure too to be perfect? To look perfect? Sorry.
Chat नहीं चल रहा हमारा. Anyway, so I can speak for hours, of course, on anxiety and depression.
No, they are asking something. They are asking you about, is it social media pressure for youngsters? And there are people who actually, take these steps because of social media. So I am not into no views, no followers, no likes, no comments are going to validate how good I am. So if you have a television award night, it will not tell me how good an actor I am just because I'm nominated and I don't win. You understanding? So, it's for glamour, it's for glory. So I don't need to validate myself. The validation is when you like it, when you say this person brings a smile on my face. That's my trophy, buddy. I've won it. So I just feel, if you're under depression, anxiety, the first thing you need to do is pick up the phone, talk to your family member, talk to your friend. Madad nahi ho rahi hai. Simple formula. Pick up the phone, go on psychiatrist. It's not a taboo. Here I am mentally unfit. I am physically unfit. सबको दिखता है. ये कहाँ घुसाएगा? ये भी तो है. ये भी तो unfit है. तो इसके लिए भी है. There are people, there are psychiatrists sitting there. और मेरा अगर मेंटल डिप्रेशन हो, मैं तो इसके साथ 2-2 घंटे बिता लूं बेटा, देखते देखते. मजे ही मजे. हाँ बोलो मैडम, आप क्या बोल रही थी?
Chalo. So now that everybody is waiting for lunch, because it is that time of the day where 1 o'clock is mostly when people have lunch. So I would like to thank you, Bakhtiar, for coming on Dr. AA Talks. And if there is one message that you would like to give to our listeners, what would that be?
Okay. Listeners, very good. I love you. Thank you. Bye bye. मैं सिर्फ पूछने वाला था, अदिति गोवित्रिकर, 2009 में तुमको मैंने प्रपोज किया था, उसका आज तक मुझे जवाब नहीं मिला. Say yes.
But I'm saying na, bhaiya mere I accept. What would that one message?
Adit, I just I'm not going to tell anyone to stay safe, stay home. I just feel that you have the brains, you have the organs to reproduce, you have the organs to think. So think what is good for you, stay there. The second thing is, I would just like to say that anxiety, depression, feeling low, just being home, there is nothing to do. What do? I feel useless about myself. No. Imagine Mr. Bachchan. He is also feeling the same. Are we whatever? Imagine Aditya Birla, he's sitting at home. Is he feeling the same? No. Everyone feel you're great. Everyone walk like a king. Everyone walk like a tiger. Everyone feel like a lion. Life will hit you and life will bash you down. And you need to get up and start running again. You need to start walking again. That's all I have to say. If life was like this, bro, you're dead. Life is like this. So wake up, climb up. Oh, you will fall down. Oh, every 10 years, our society or social, what do we say, that equity takes a fall every 10 years. We know that. Still, we invest in it, na? We use our brains and invest in it. Same way, invest in yourself, guys. And life is gonna fall, keep you down. Wake up, run. That's all. And don't even think of, I'm feeling low. What is this? I can't pay for my this. I can't pay for my that. I want to end my life and this and that and all that. I just want to say, if you're thinking like that, screw you. Wake up, smell the coffee. Life is beautiful. You're going to have a wonderful life. There are people banking on you. And I just feel there is a lot of money being placed on me and I cannot do anything of that sort. I think twice before even scratching myself. मेरे को तो टेबल लग जाती है तो मैं हाँ करता हूँ. तो बॉस मेरे लिए ये नहीं है. And I just know one thing, that if I'm low and I'm depressed, I have gorgeous people sitting in front of me where I can call and say, you know what, Aditi, I'm coming to have a coffee with you. I'm feeling low. उसी बहाने में बैठ के.
Okay, that's crazy, Bakhtiar, for you guys. What he's trying to say, if I may rephrase you, Bakhtiar, is that stay safe. So he said that don't stay safe. What indirectly he's saying is take care of yourself. Self-love is the highest form of love. So do believe in yourself, because if you don't have it, you will not be able to give anybody else. And there are people like me, counselors, psychiatrists, who are there, they are available, who can help you get out of any kind of negativity, or if you're down in the dumps, reach out to your loved ones or to professionals, and that's about it. And keep smiling and have fun. All right?
Aditi, I want an appointment for 1 hour. When can I come?
When the lockdown opens. Chalo. See you best, Tanaz. Please, my big
Tanaz,
love.
yes, I will. Tanaz, just say hello to Aditi. Arey maa kasam. Hawaii.
Hi. How are you?
सब काम पे चालू है सब भाई.
I can't hear you, but I was just heading for a
एक second.
little bit of a.
Can you hear me now?
Huh?
Can you hear me? You can, I guess.
Yeah. Now I can hear
I
you.
said you're all dressed up. Don't tell me you're dressing up like this because it is lockdown. To stay at home, just get ready and sit.
No. Nothing as enterprising as that. I'm just going to shoot for a collab, yeah.
Okay.
भाई छाप रहा है इधर.
Good, na? That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. So, anyway, you're well, right, Tanaz? All well?
Yes, all good, all well. Doing good.
इससे ज्यादा पॉजिटिव स्माइल किधर है? पूरे 40 दांत दिख रहे.
40 watts. So I was saying, Bakhtiar, that I'm siding Tanaz on the schooling front. Huh? So you have me in your corner. No more schooling.
Totally. Even I don't agree with that, because you get to learn so many different kind of situations which you're going to deal with later on in life, and that all you learn at a school level, where at least it's in a confined environment, and at that point of time you're going to listen to authority. But when you're in real life, then you're just going to be hello fine like raita, yeah. You'll just be all over the place because you've never had someone.
Isko bhi school bhej do, Bakhtiar ko, let him do schooling.
I asked for admission for him. They said he has to shave and cut his hair, so that's why they didn't take him. Otherwise, they would have taken him also.
अरे लेकिन सोच मैं 6th standard में फेल हो गया तो.
So we'll start from 3rd standard. Send him to 3rd standard.
Imagine me sitting with Zahra in the class.
I know. Yeah, I don't understand this myth.
She'll say, Papa,
But
go home. Anyway, thank you guys, and see you soon once the lockdown opens. We
Yes.
can catch up in real life and have a cup of coffee. Take care.
अदिति वो सवाल का जवाब
Ha ha. Bye.
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 Thank you.